behind on the raft. Soon night came. Thomas could not see, but he could hear. Crash, crash, the tree snapped. Help! Cried Thomas. Wait, did they read this book? Did they read this book?
Did I read that book?
Yeah.
The boat chugged away. Thomas was all alone. Thomas was scared.
What about my dad and Ferdinand? Out.
The next morning, the raft floated to a far-off island. Clicky clack, Thomas ran around the bed.
Here, bring it closer. Let me hold it. I'll hold it.
Then screech, he stopped. 3 strange engines were in front of him.
Who are the 3 engines?
My dad, Ferdinand.
Okay.
Said one. I'm Dash, said the other one. I'm Ferdinand, the last.
Will you read that one, Daddy?
The new engine said they could help Thomas, but they were silly. They made jokes. They teased Thomas. He hopped away. Now Henry will read this one.
He puffed up the hills and chuffed past rocks. He raced along the track. Thomas was lost. Now he needed help. Thomas found Dash and Ferdinand. I need help, said Thomas. Will you tell me how you get home? I just looked at Thomas to an old fellow. Just
Will you read that one, Daddy?
What's the order?
That's the home. Okay, I'll read the next page. They puffed inside. The tunnel was dark. The tracks were twisty. Smash, crash. Rocks tumbled down. Thomas and the engine were stuck.
The engine had a fan. He told Thomas to puff as hard as he could. Puff, puff, puff.
Maybe
Thomas
he
puffed,
could puff
rose high into the sky.
He did. He puffed 3 times.
Back on cylinder, Percy wondered where Thomas was. Then he saw 3 cups. Thomas, cried Percy. He whooshed away to get help. Clickety clack, clickety clack. Thomas heard something in the tunnel. I will save you. We'll save you, peeped Percy. The engines from Sodor bashed through the rocks. Thomas was rescued. Hooray!
Hooray! Is that a good one, Hugo? Is that a good one, Oscar?